Hello everyone! And today ay gumagana naman ang aking utak. Kaya, let's talk about paano nga ba from just 6 buddies or friends with benefits into a true love. Yan. Pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Feeling expert na naman si ako. Kaya, makinig. Did you know that even married couples can be just friends with benefits? Pero, syempre, they're not called friends with benefits. Kasi nga, kasal na sila. But, it's still possible. Lalo na kung yung relationship nila is nasa stuck in the same place. Well, lagi naman nagsisex, but no love. May ganon, di ba? May kakilala akong ganon at papatamaan ko lang sa ngayon. Most of the guys, it's okay. And it's incredibly frustrating for us girls. Kasi, sino nga bang may gusto na mag-asawa na nga kayo, di naman lang niya maaalalang malapit na palang mag-Valentine's Day, or, di ba maski birthday mo, nakakalimutan na, pero lagi pa naman kayong nagsisex, kaya parang okay lang, pero may malaking but. It's always the woman who suffers the most. Tayo talaga yung mga na-frustrate, di ba, pag ganung mga sitwasyon. Whether they're married or in a relationship, or lalo na if you're stuck in a friends with benefits situation. Ay, naku po. Naku po talaga. Kaya naman, so, what should I do? How can I make him love me more? Or how do I move this relationship forward? Ito na nga. At dahil ako nga ito at magmamagaling na naman tayo, bibigyan ko na naman ng linaw. In other words, mag-a-advise tayo. Kaya, ito na. Okay. I had a friend. May asawa po itong friend kong to. And this is her situation. Lagi pa naman daw sila nagsisex. Pero wala nang love and I want to be loved, sabi nga niya. Kaya gusto nga niyang makipaghiwalay sa guy. Pero, di naman niya magawa kasi may mga anak na nga sila. Gusto niya maghanap ng ibang lalaki na mamahalin at alagaan siya. Pero kasi, ay naku, mahirap mag-comment kasi nga may mga anak na maapektuhan kapag sinabi mong, sige, maghiwalay na nga kayo. Total, di na kayo nagkakaintindihan. Hello, paano nga naman yung mga anak nila, di ba? So, hindi mo rin naman masasabing ganon. And there's a lot of women were stuck in a sex-only relationship. Single woman, girlfriend, wives, it didn't matter. There's a lot of situation where there was no love in the relationship. And in my experience, one of the most effective ways to make your bid buddy love you more is by matching his attachment level. Ano daw? Now, what is the F? What is this attachment level? Nagmamagaling na naman. Well, ni-research ko to ha. And basically, your attachment levels are measures of how emotionally attached you are to each other. Kung di nyo ba magawang maghihiwalay kasi nga may maaapektuhan o di nyo naman kaya na wala ang isa't isa kasi most of the times there's a huge imbalance of attachment levels between friends with benefits. Talaga naman. Times, there's a huge imbalance of attachment levels between friends with benefits. The woman loves the guy a lot more than he loves her. Yun naman talagang totoo. Yun nga lang, if he loves her at all nga. Paano kung minsan pa naman, mahal mo na, tapos yung guy wala pa pala sa page na yun. Ay, shit. Nauna ka ng bali 100 page. siya nasa page 2 pa lang, ikaw nasa 101 na. So, paano kayo mag-meet, 'di ba? And I've learned one crucial fact about sex-only relationship is that it's not the guy's lack of commitment that caused the relationship to fail. But it's when isa sa inyo, especially tayong mga babae, wants more. Gusto mo ng more level. Yung level niya, level 2 lang. Yung sa'yo, gusto mo na level 10. We want that just a sex-only relationship. Yun ang umpisa nyo ganun lang. Tapos, ikaw, nag-move forward na. Siya pala nandun pa. And ikaw nandun na sa mataas na. And that thing starts to fall apart. Yun ang pagkakaiba nyo. So, dapat, kung page 2 siya, dapat page 2 lang din yung nasa utak mo. Huwag kang page 100. Ito pa nga lang yung sa kanya, date lang. Ikaw, pang marriage na siya, pang daddy na siya ng mga anak mo, pang ano na. So, syempre, 'di ba? Hindi kayo nagtutugma. Bakit? You know, because I've always met a lot of couples who stuck together longer enough simply because they weren't emotionally attached to each other at all. Pag sinabing friends with benefits lang, huwag kang umasa na magiging more highest level. Kapag nagsabi na siya na, okay, let's get this into a serious one, dun ka na mag-isip na, ay, papaserious na kami. So, what's my usual advice? Usually, I tell you to lower your attachment levels to match his. 'Di ba? Kasi doon naman talaga Doon naman talaga kayo. Kung yun nga yung inisip niya, first level pa lang. First level ka lang din. Wag kang first level nga lang siya Friends with benefits ka lang para sa kanya. Tapos ikaw, ala, maganda na siya, pang husband materials na siya. O de, sasaktan ang ating kapusuan. Stop hoping he'd come to his senses na matatausan siya kapag ginawa mong lahat for him. Ewan ko lang, baka pag-abutin ka pa ng pagod. Stop dropping everything, yung pag-a-adjust ng bonggang-bongga just to meet his. Kasi, you know yung wishing it will work out? Uy, but. Wag ka na. Instead, start focusing on other important things of your life, like your family, your career, your friends, especially your finances. Kasi yun naman talaga, mahirap kapag hindi mo kayang buhayin yung sarili mo. Especially your health kapag, laging may stress, alam mo yun, lagi kang, at marami pang iba. Kasi, alam nyo, pag naging busy ka at nakikita niyang nag-i-enjoy ka, wala siya, he'll start missing you, calling you up, asking you out. Basically, he'll start chasing you. Kung hindi naman siya nag-chase, huwag mo na siya hanapin. Period. Maghanap ka na lang ng mag-chase sa'yo. Kasi kung hindi siya nag-chase sa'yo, ibig sabihin, hindi siya interested sa'yo. Huwag ka na mangarap. And that's the first step in turning the sex-only relationship into a real one. Yung attachment level. Hanapin mo yun kung asa na siya. Pag sinabi niyang level 2 lang din. Huwag ka nang mag-level 100. Okay? Huwag nang magpanggap. Huwag nang maghanap. Sometimes kasi the problem is deeper. Well, the problem is deeper, of course. Not all sex-only situations are the same. Some women find themselves in a loveless relationship because of self-esteem issues. Yun, yung self-esteem issues, paki-research na lang. My God. Ang hirap mag-self-esteem issues research. And, well, I know a friend. She's telling everyone, he's my boyfriend. But he's really just a bed friend. And, minsan, parang gusto na lang niyang sabihin na lang na, "Ay, I'm single." Sometimes kasi, when the problem is deeply rooted in self-esteem issues, yun nga, I do more than just give advice. Yun, lagi kong minomotivate yung mga kaibigan ko na, yun, I support, I encourage, and I encourage them to keep working on their relationship. I'd advise them how to work on their inner game. I advise them how to love themselves. Kaya nga, ako na talagang mahilig mangialam ng love life, ng my love life. And in fact, na laging nagmamagaling. And when something happens in the relationship, I help them zoom in on the root of the problem and find the best way to solve it. You know, I believe that there's a solution in every love problem. That's why I'm making this vlog for. Would it be great if you could have my love advice in any love problems you're going through anytime, anywhere? Kaya ito, unfortunately, I know there's a friendship na natatamaan ko dito. But opinion ko lang to, guys, ha. I'm not judging. Thousands, maybe even millions of women out there still struggling, still loveless, still hurting. Well, that's why like and subscribe on my YouTube channel for more advices dahil sa susunod, ikaw na pala ang aking patatamaan. Ikaw na pala yun ang pinapatamaan ko. What if it doesn't work for you? Well, no problem kasi di naman talaga ako expert. Ha? Nagmamagaling lang. So, if you've been stuck in a friends with benefit situation for too long, then it's time to break free. So, go on ahead and give it a shot. Malay mo naman, it's going to work. Malay mo, it's going to the happiness you deserve. Bye-bye!